So for today, I'm going to teach you how to change your currency in your Trust Wallet. So basically, just simply open or access your Trust Wallet application, and after proceeding to your main dashboard, of course, if you wanted to buy a specific cryptocurrency, you will click the blue logo or the blue button, which is the buy, and after clicking it, just simply utilize or scroll down to see or find your specific cryptocurrency that you wanted to buy. Like for example, let's just simply search it. For example, I wanted to buy Litecoin, so I will just click on it, and of course here you will see in US dollars. But if you wanted to change your currency, just simply click the flag icon on the top right corner of your screen, and once you clicked in, there are much of currencies that you can choose, like for example in British pound or in Algerian dinar, like that. So for example, I will choose the euro, and just simply tender an amount you wanted to buy in euro for you to get your Litecoin, like for example 20 euros. And there are much of options that you could pay for, like for example in credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, and digital wallet. And that's how you change currency in your Trust Wallet. If you found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.